I love this stuff. Look at that. Let's see this. Oh my gosh. Oh Jacob, what did you do this time? What's going on, everyone? You're gonna have to bear through this with me. As you can tell, probably, I actually am sick right now, so my voice is gonna kind of be screwed up through this video. But anyways, a little bit about the shout outs. If you get a shout out, it's gonna last all week, and I'll put the links to the people who I shout out in my description for Monday and Thursday's video. So this week's shout outs are to TRX 450R Vlogger, also 4x4 Outlaw, and Dirt Life. Their channel links will be in my description, so feel free to check them out. Show them some love. Oh, is that a deer? Was that a deer? Was that a deer, or was that just a squirrel? Speaking of deer, well, actually, we're gonna be going mudding today. You guys killed the last video. But yeah, speaking of deer, my dad actually got a pretty big 10-pointer last Friday. I'll throw a picture of that up right now. But yeah. So far from my crash, I would say my shoulder is about 75% better than it was when I initially did it. I mean, it just mostly hurts in certain motions, so I'm happy it's healing up pretty good because I got pretty bad shoulders. I think I might have ripped something when I crashed, but if I did, both my shoulders would be ripped then, because about 2 years ago when I was snowboarding, I ripped my right shoulder, and then when I crashed last week, I might have ripped my left shoulder. I don't know, maybe it'll be easy because it clicks a lot. There's a lot of popping in certain motions, but that's actually my dominant arm. I'm a lefty. I'm a devil child. But okay, let's get into this. Yeah, but it seems like everyone at school is sick. My teacher he was teaching today, and he also didn't have a voice, and the kid next to me is like, yeah, I lost my voice over the weekend, so I think something's going around the school right now, because it just seems like everyone is coughing or something. You guys know how it goes. Usually, that's how it was last year at school. It's like I was like sick the whole year. It's like I would just get better, and then I would just keep getting colds. It was nothing major, but it's just really annoying. Okay, we'll hit this puddle going really fast from the other way. We gotta do that. Just get it completely soaked. See how big of a splash I can make. It's first gear. It is first gear. Okay. Biggest splash competition. Here we go. I guess I win no matter what, so. It's so deep I can't retain any speed. Woo! There we go. The 300 subs should be coming up soon. As always, I'm doing a 300 subscriber special. If you guys want to see anything, let me know. And I'll be sure to do that. I'm always up for taking ideas from you guys. Wop, wop. Oh, perfect. Whole half second of airtime. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. If you're new to this channel or new to this video and you're watching it for the first time and you like what you see, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on Thursday. And for you new subscribers, my upload schedule is on Mondays and Thursdays. I haven't really been stressing that recently, but yeah, and all the links for my social media will be in the description, as well as those shout outs. Feel free to go show them some love, and thanks for watching. We ended up walking by this person getting arrested, and I think he like broke a window of someone's house or something. I don't know what was going on, but the funniest part was he was already in an orange jumpsuit.